Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at Ari Chain. The countdown is remaining 2 days and a lot of things has been going on. So you need to go and check your wallet address to know if your account is hacked. So many users, their account is already hacked. Go and cross check your wallet address, your submission, to make sure that it is still the same thing that you submitted that is still left there. I'm going to guide you on how to check all those things. You can see that we just have 2 days. We just have 2 days for this wallet submission stuff to expire. So go and check. Now, how do you check? If you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please do well to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification for more updates. Join our WhatsApp group, our Telegram channel for high value updates. To check if your wallet is still intact, you click on this edit info. So once you click on it, you will now check if your EVM wallet address that you submitted is still the same. Mine is still the same. I saw a YouTuber who is complaining bitterly his own EVM wallet address has been compromised, and not just that, even the handle here, they have changed his handle. So go and cross check if your own is still intact. If it is not intact, you have to delete them and start afresh. Go and do this. You have 2 days left for this wallet submission. And also you need to check your Discord to make sure that your Discord registration is still there. If it is not there, you have to wipe everything and start afresh. Make sure that your wallet is secured. If you did not check it and eventually your account has been compromised, another person will take away your sweat. We have spent close to a year plus on this project, so do not allow your sweat to be in vain. Go and cross check to make sure that it is still the same address that you use. You see, you are still having your address. If not, change your EVM wallet address immediately. So once everything is all right, you click on verify. Make sure you click on verify, then you resubmit. That's proof successfully done. Then you go back to home. To check your Discord registration, let's go to Discord. So once you come to Discord, I heard that Discord registration is going through now. You can start, and if you have not done your Discord registration, I heard it's going right now. I don't know. I've done it and you saw the video when I did it. So you can go to Ari Chain. Once you tap on this Ari Chain, you go to message. Once you tap on Ari Chain, you go to this Ari Chain registration bot. So once you click on it, you go to this message box and write slash. Once you write slash, you can see Ari Chain registration bot. You tap on it. Once you tap on it, you send this. Once you send it, it will automatically bring out everything here, and you will now see whether this your EVM wallet address is still the same, and your handle is still the same, and your Ari wallet are still the same. If they are not the same, you click on this, change it. Click on this arrow. If you find out that your password or your EVM wallet address has been compromised, delete it immediately. Find out it is not there. Make sure you do this. After 2 days, that is on Monday. So on Monday, the wallet submission will end. Go and check if your account is being compromised so that you can take proper action now. So that is it for this video. I believe you got value from this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification for more updates. Thank you guys.